Now that we are releasing the exam to 10,000 odd head teachers, one or two of them will connive with the security people there and photograph that paper and put on the internet. Now, that is not a leakage. So that word leakage is repugnant and it's totally unreasonable, unless there is another narrative which somebody wants to have with regards to the integrity of these exams. Having said so, we have now come to a very painful conclusion that we do not need cell phones in examination centers, except 2 cell phones for emergency purposes. One that shall be with the head, with the center manager, and another one with one of the security men. The reason being, there could be something that is interactive. A child may fall sick, and there may be need for communication. But for all the other mortals like myself, the invigilators and supervisors, and the other security people, they will leave their cell phones at home. They don't need them. This is the enemy of the examination process for our children. And I hope that by the time we reach Friday, we can relax this rule, because all the subjects that matter shall have been done by Friday of this week.